start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm going to do a quick gel polish design today because I've had some new Madam Glam products turn up. So this is from September's collection. They're very late this month. This is the Wanderlust collection. So we have got The Truth, we have got Pink Liberty, we have got Walk in the Park, and we have got September Skies. So I'm going to give them a quick swatch first, and then I'll decide what to do with them. So we will start with The Truth. I love these kind of nudes. They just make brilliant base colours, don't they? So I'm just going to get through these quickly. Nice thin even coats is all you need with Madam Glam gels. Don't forget, guys, you can get 30% off Madam Glam website using my code unpolished30. Beautiful. So I'm just going to fly through these now, guys. Right, guys, and quickly, what I've also got this month, this came out last month actually. This is called Laos. Well, in the country, Lao, they pronounce it Lao, but in English we pronounce it with the S, Laos. This is actually a rubber base coat. I'm quickly going to swatch it because it's a beautiful, beautiful opaque colour. Madam Glam have already got some rubber base coats, but I think this is like an upgraded colour. It's the same formula as their other rubber bases, but personally I would use these on natural nails personally. If I've got no nails on, like I have now, really short nails, and I want a bit of colour, I hate having to do a base coat, then 2 coats of colour and a top coat. Because on short nails like this, it can get bulky, can't it? So I would personally use this as a base and a colour all in one. And I'd just top coat it. Gets rid of a couple of layers, doesn't it? Of bulkage. That's what I would personally use it for. So it's a rubber base coat, so it's flexible. It will move and grow as your nails move and grow. So this would be brilliant for me at the minute to just put on my nails and leave them alone, give them a rest for a couple of weeks, because they are really brittle and damaged. Beautiful, beautiful creamy colour. Or you could just use it as a regular base coat, but that's what I'd personally use it for. I'd use it just on natural short nails as a colour, to get rid of a bit of bulk. And same as Madam Glam's regular gel polishes. Oh, sugar. It is vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula. That means it's free of 21 toxins that you find in a lot of gel polishes, which is fantastic. It's palm oil-free, henna-free. Yeah, just generally all-round excellent quality. Anyway, shall we get on with it and have a look at these colours? So that is the new latest rubber base coat. It is very, very opaque. I love it. But yeah, I would use that on my natural nails just so that I don't have to use a colour. I can literally just top coat it and it just gets rid of bulk. But yeah, I quite like that. It's a beautiful colour. I'll probably use that as a gel polish as well. You absolutely could. You could use it to put full cover tips on. Quite a versatile little product. Right, look at these colours. My gosh, I love these. You know, these go really well together because they're all the same kind of not shade, obviously they're all different colours, but they've all got that same kind of toned down, almost matte kind of look to them, if that makes sense. I know what I mean in my head. They just go well together. They're all that same kind of muted, toned down, chilled out kind of colour. If colours could chill out, that's what these colours are doing. They're chilling out. Yeah, I really like them. I do. Right, shall we get on with it? So I've got my practice hand ready to go. I'm going to give them a quick base coat and then we'll crack on, shall we? So obviously I'm using Madame Glam's base coat. So I'm going to start by giving all the nails a coat of the truth. Right, so that's them, had 2 coats. I'm just going to use a cheap matte top coat because I want to paint on these nails and I do prefer to paint on a matte surface. Right, they've had a matte top coat. So I'm going to do, on these middle 2 nails, I'm going to do a nail bed and I'm going to use the blue and the green, which is September Skies and Walk in the Park. Right, now I'm going to use the rest of the colours and I'm going to do some kind of, not swirly lines, but lines. So I'm going to stick to the blue so I don't have to clean my brushes off. We'll do the blue first. And I'm just going to start about there. And I just kind of want, I don't want curvy, wavy lines. I just kind of want that kind of line. And I'm going to do stripes of all 4 colours. So I will just put some music on over this bit, guys. Right, so I'm just going to put a little bit of detail on these now. So I'm going to use the colour that I've used for the nail bed. Some of that on my palette. Just a little bit, don't need a lot. So I'm going to use my dotting tool. And I want a teeny tiny little star in the middle of this nail. So they've had a top coat, a glossy top coat, just so that I can get them buffed nice and smooth. But I do want these to be matte, so I'm using Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. There we go guys, that is then finished. I'm so sorry this video's been a bit sped up in places. I just don't like my videos getting too long. But yeah, that's then finished. I quite like them. They're still colourful but slightly toned down. So that's all the colours together there. I think these colours go together really well. And they're not too bright either for this time of year. So obviously that was the rubber base coat. Yeah, I would probably use this on natural nails, just so that I can literally top coat them and get rid of an extra couple of colour coat layers. Get rid of some bulk. You can use it to put full cover tips on. Yeah, I like it. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I'll leave product links below and discount codes. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.